Welcome, dear viewers, to a profound exploration of the space between death and life. What happens in the moments between our last breath and our next existence? Is consciousness truly extinguished, or does it transition to another realm? Today, we will examine ancient wisdom, near-death experiences, and scientific perspectives to uncover what lies between death and life. Throughout history, cultures around the world have attempted to understand what happens after death. The ancient Egyptians believed in a well-defined journey through the afterlife, where the soul, Kai, would undergo judgment before entering the eternal paradise of Aru. In Hinduism, the concept of reincarnation suggests that the soul, Atman, is reborn into different lives based on its karma, a cycle known as samsara, until it achieves liberation, moksha. The Tibetan Book of the Dead describes a transitional state called bardo, where the soul undergoes experiences that determine its next incarnation. Similarly, many indigenous traditions speak of spirit realms where ancestors guide the deceased to their next destination. These perspectives suggest that death is not the end, but a passage into another dimension of existence. Near-death experiences, NDEs, have fascinated scientists and spiritual seekers alike. Those who have undergone NDEs often describe a sensation of floating above their bodies, traveling through tunnels of light, or encountering deceased loved ones and beings of immense love. Many report a life review, where they witness key moments of their existence with deep emotional clarity. Dr. Raymond Moody, one of the pioneers in studying NDEs, found common themes across cultures, such as the feeling of peace, meeting a being of light, and returning with a transformed perspective on life. These experiences challenge the materialist view of consciousness being purely brain-dependent and suggest the possibility of consciousness existing beyond death. Modern science is beginning to explore what happens after death from a quantum and neurological perspective. Some researchers propose that consciousness might be a fundamental part of the universe rather than just a byproduct of the brain. Theories like quantum consciousness, proposed by physicist Sir Roger Penrose and anesthesiologist Stuart Hameroff, suggest that consciousness exists in microtubules within brain cells and could persist beyond physical death. Additionally, studies on terminal lucidity, where dying individuals suddenly regain clarity and consciousness before passing, raise questions about the nature of awareness and its connection to the brain. Could consciousness be an independent entity that merely uses the body as a vessel? Many spiritual traditions describe the moment of death as a transition rather than an end. The Tibetan Book of the Dead states that the soul undergoes a process of detachment, where it gradually separates from its earthly identity and attachments.